Did you know that if you lack just one of the 9 essential amino acids, your body cannot properly build and repair tissues or synthesize important molecules? For example, if you lack this single amino acid, we'll talk about it later in the video, it can hinder the production of proteins and the healing of tissues. As a result, your muscles become weaker and your immune system becomes less effective. So can vegans get all 9 amino acids from a plant-based diet? The truth is that all plant foods contain all 20 amino acids, including the 9 indispensable ones. However, the amino acid distribution profile is less optimal in plant foods than in animal foods, which is why some vegans may lack some of the essential amino acids. Common examples of limiting amino acids in plant-based proteins include lysine, methionine, isoleucine, threonine, and tryptophan. Of these, lysine appears to be most commonly absent, particularly from cereal grains. We're going to reveal the best sources for obtaining all 9 essential amino acids as a vegan. But first, let's understand what these amino acids are. Essential amino acids are those that our bodies cannot produce on their own, so we must obtain them from our diet. They play crucial roles in protein synthesis, muscle repair, and overall body function. The 9 essential amino acids are histidine, important for tissue growth and repair, as well as maintaining healthy blood cells. Isoleucine, supports muscle tissue repair, energy production, and regulation of blood sugar levels. Leucine, essential for muscle protein synthesis, promoting muscle growth and recovery. Lysine, necessary for proper growth and development, collagen formation, and calcium absorption. Methionine, aids in the production of other amino acids, as well as supporting the metabolism and detoxification processes. Phenylalanine, required for the production of neurotransmitters and plays a role in mood regulation. Threonine, helps with the formation of collagen, elastin, and muscle tissue. Tryptophan, precursor to serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and sleep. Valine, supports muscle metabolism, tissue repair, and the maintenance of nitrogen balance. Later in the video, we'll talk about which 2 of these 9 essential amino acids require extra attention, but right now, let's find out how to ensure you're getting all 9 while on a vegan diet. The best way is to diversify your protein sources. Different plant foods contain different amino acid profiles, so incorporating a wide range of protein-rich foods into your diet is essential. Some excellent vegan protein sources include quinoa, a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. Chia seeds, rich in protein and provide a good balance of amino acids. Buckwheat, a nutrient-dense pseudo-cereal that offers a complete protein profile. Hemp seeds, packed with protein and rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Legumes, beans, lentils, and chickpeas are excellent sources of protein and essential amino acids. By diversifying your protein sources, you can ensure that you're obtaining all the essential amino acids your body needs. And don't forget to always combine complementary proteins. While individual plant-based protein sources may not provide all 9 essential amino acids on their own, you can combine complementary proteins to create complete protein profiles. Complementary proteins are foods that, when eaten together, provide all the essential amino acids. For example, combining legumes with whole grains creates a complete protein. Pairing foods like rice and beans, hummus, and whole wheat bread, or tofu and quinoa can help you meet your amino acid requirements. Be creative with your combinations and enjoy delicious meals that provide a balanced amino acid profile. Let's talk about soy and its derivatives. Soy products, such as tofu, tempeh, and edamame, are excellent sources of plant-based protein. Soy is unique because it contains all 9 essential amino acids in the right proportions, making it a complete protein. Including soy and its derivatives in your diet can significantly contribute to meeting your amino acid needs as a vegan. While you're preparing your meals, pay attention to methionine and lysine. Methionine and lysine are 2 essential amino acids that may require extra attention on a vegan diet. While most plant-based foods contain these amino acids, some may be lower in one or the other. To ensure an adequate intake, focus on foods rich in methionine, such as legumes, seeds, and whole grains, along with lysine-rich foods like quinoa, lentils, and seitan. In certain cases, supplementation may be necessary to meet your amino acid needs. Vegan protein powders, specifically those made from a combination of plant-based sources, can help fill any gaps in your amino acid intake. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before starting any supplementation regimen. Now you may wonder, what happens if you get 8 of the essential amino acids but are lacking in 1? Well, when any of the essential amino acids are deficient, our bodies cannot adequately build and repair tissues or synthesize important molecules. For example, a deficiency in lysine, even if you have all the other essential amino acids, can result in several health implications. Without enough lysine, protein synthesis and tissue repair may be impaired, leading to weakened muscles and a compromised immune system. Delayed wound healing and skin abnormalities can occur due to reduced collagen production. Inadequate lysine intake may also hinder calcium absorption, affect bone health, and contribute to poor growth and development in children and adolescents. It's essential to consume all 9 essential amino acids regularly to support various bodily functions, including muscle growth and repair, hormone production, and immune function. Check out this video to discover the best protein sources for vegans.